Hi, I'm Jeff from Rokform, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our new and improved motorcycle handlebar mount. So let's get a close-up and we'll show you what's in the box and what's new and improved. So this is how it's going to come to you when you order it or buy it at your local motorcycle dealer. Has this nice magnetic closure box. You're going to open it up and it's going to show you a little bit about the adjustability. So this mount is fully adjustable. It's designed to work with our RokLock twist lock phone cases or our universal adapter. It has rotation around the bar, and also the arm is adjustable and you can move it 360 degrees around as well. It will fit the widest range of bars available currently today, from 7/8 all the way up to 1.5 inch bars, and we'll show you how it does that. So when you open the box, you're going to see your instruction sheet, which is going to show you exactly how to install it, which is very, very easy and installs with one screw in less than 5 minutes. So it comes with the wrench. It's a T20 Torx wrench. And we're going to pull out our mount here, and you can see it's all CNC machined aluminum, has a nice matte black finish. We also have a polished aluminum finish if you like polished aluminum or have a lot of chrome on your bike. And new for this model, this brand new motorcycle mount, this will fit all the way up to 1.5 inch handlebars. So a lot of the newer Harleys have the big 1.5 inch bars, and this now will fit it. And it'll also fit 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8 inch, 1 1/4 inch. So we supply all of the spacers for each of those sizes. And the nice thing about these spacers, it's not gonna harm your handlebar at all. It's not gonna scratch it. It's not gonna chip the chrome, because these go right over the bar, and then the clamp goes right on top, and it fits right inside these grooves here. So it's only 1 wrench to remove and install. And we supply the wrench, 1 screw. And you can see how this has a groove in it, so it fits right in the groove, so it's not going to slide out on you. You're just going to close it up and install it. Another thing that we changed on these newer mounts is we have this plastic insert here, which helps protect the case from scratches. And also this can be removed, and you can use our vibration damper, which is available separately. To adjust it, you're just going to use the same wrench. You're going to loosen this top screw. And we added a little index in here, so you don't have to use as much force to tighten it and to keep it in its position. So when you're adjusting it, it'll stay in that spot when you lock it down. It has our twist lock, and there's also a magnet, so once you twist it on, it sucks onto the magnet that's already in your case for extra security. If you want a third layer of security, we include this lanyard. The lanyard's not for everybody, but a lot of people do love to use the lanyard. It's a quick release lanyard, so as soon as you put it on your phone, you can easily take it off. So you don't have to use the lanyard, but they are very handy, especially for traveling, or if you're somewhere where you just don't want to lose your phone, or if you're afraid for its safety. You can put this around your wrist and you got your phone, and you know your phone's not going to fall on the ground or fall off a bridge if you're taking a picture or something. So even if you don't use this today or on your motorcycle, keep it around because you might use it someday. So that's the lanyard. So that's our all new 1.5 inch motorcycle handlebar mount. It's available now. It comes in polished aluminum or a black anodized finish. And like all of our non-electronic products, it comes with a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email. We're happy to help and look forward to hearing from you soon.